Hi viewers, I'm Shahabnir Roy and you're watching Language In. Today we are going to discuss about another part of speech, that is preposition. So let's come to the lesson. Preposition. Preposition is a word governing and usually preceding a noun or pronoun and expressing a relation to another word or element in the clause. Kinds of prepositions: simple prepositions, double prepositions, compound prepositions, phrase prepositions, participle prepositions, and discussed prepositions. Simple prepositions. They are constructed by only one word, like at, in, by, of, for, on, over, under, up, to, etc. And in sentence, he is knocking at the door. Double preposition. They are formed by combining two words or two simple prepositions. For example, into, onto, within, without, among, towards, etc. And in sentence, John jumped into the river. Compound prepositions. These prepositions are two words prepositions. For example, according to, because of, next to, due to, etc. And in sentence, he was upset because of his son's behavior. Phrase prepositions. They are groups of words used with the force of a single preposition. For example, in front of, on account of, in opposition to, with reference to, in spite of, etc. His house is in front of the college. Participle prepositions. Some present participles are used as prepositions. They are the verbs ends in ing. For example, considering, pending, concerning, regarding, respecting, touching, etc. And in sentence, considering the circumstances, the thief was freed. Discussed prepositions. They are no clear word, they are hidden words, or we can say that the short form of a preposition. For example, by can be changed into be. On can be changed into a. Off can be changed into o, like 5 o'clock. I will go to office at 9 o'clock. Prepositions can only be learnt by memory. Unfortunately, there is no method of particular way to recognize and learn them. I will soon discuss in another video the ways or methods using the preposition into different sentences. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.